Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Wednesday, June 8th, 6:06 p.m. New York time. Going to discuss the financial sector. Financial sector is one of several sectors that are in the S&P 500 stock index. There's an ETF that trades the stock sector. It's called XLF, X-Ray Lima Foxtrot. It's a stock ETF of the big financials, where this video is going to be the broad perspective of the financial service sector, because in the financial service sector, there are 8 industries. Yep, I'm going to go over them. And with those 8 industries, it's very interesting which ones are turning around what's looking like positive, whereas other ones still looking piss poor. Yep. So the first industry is asset management. There's many companies in asset management. Again, I'm going to show the top for each industry. So here, asset management, the first one being symbol Bravo Lima Kilo. So when I say Bravo Lima Kilo, for you civilians, that's BLK. If you don't know the phonetic alphabet, deal with it. Bravo Lima Kilo. Currently for the week, it's green candle, solid candle, equivalent to a red. Yeah, this is suspicious. It looks like possible distribution up here. So it may have a retracement, but this is positive. This big green candle here. Yep, there's practically a seller shut off. So this consolidation down here, of course, trend consolidation, we're above it, consolidation. But that follow through has not occurred because it's inside candle with that prior high till there. Yep. I don't feel comfortable to want to be buying this up here. Nope. Next, BK, Bank of New York Mellon. So prior down here was a consolidation, which is really interesting. So huge sell-off for the year. We had a consolidation here, impulse move down, followed by another consolidation, followed by another. And down here, the smart money's been accumulating it. Yep, buying it, the smart money. And then more buyers stepped in, pushed it higher, consolidation. That's nice. But these 2 current candles, again, it's only Wednesday. This one's not done here. This is suspicious. 2 solid bodies, tills, top, bottom. Yeah. We'll see what happens, but it might be another sell-off. Maybe economic news that's happening this Friday, the CPI and the core. Next, BX, Blackstone. Big turnaround already. Yeah, nice. Yep. So here's the high for the year. So pretty much above midpoint. There's a high and low for the year. Nice. Up. Again, doing retracement. So buyers stepped in here before already. Interesting. India, Victor, Zulu, Vesco. Oh, this is already making lower highs. That's not good. Nope. Lower highs. Struggling. Tango, Romeo, Oscar, T. Rowe Price. Again, a lot of these companies I'm showing here are big financial asset management companies that manage other people's money for whatever reason. Some of those want to manage their own money. Yep. Some of them are having mutual funds they create and lobby businesses to offer their mutual funds versus another company's mutual funds. Okay, T. Rowe Price. Yep. Again, suspicious here. These little candle bodies solid look like they're going to continue going down retracement. So takeaway here, these financial management companies that manage other people's money, maybe there's less contributions going into them recently, or maybe their bad performance is hurting them because, again, they're not that creative outside the box. They're socializing with people in their inner circle. So when one of them makes a bad policy, another one makes a bad policy, wash and repeat. Yep. They're not that creative in that perspective of being outside the box. Not when you socialize with the same people, work with them, live with them, meaning in your community, you dine with them. Yep, that's the problem. So here, huge consolidation, still under distribution, not looking good. That's State Street Corporation, Sierra Tango Tango. Okay, so the financial asset management's failure. Next, the financial banks. This is the diversified banks. You know, the ones that have their hands in everything. And whatever state you live in, you might want to find out what your county, city, and your state, which bank they put the state property taxes and state sales tax in. If this one's JP Morgan, Juliet Papa Mike. I remember they used to have a contract with the state of New Jersey. And years ago, the governor had disagreement with them and got rid of them and took on some other thing. So you might want to discern to find out again. It's free information, not that hard to find out. What your state, municipality, when you pay property tax, sales tax, what that local municipality again is what financial institution they're using. Why aren't they supporting your local credit unions or in-state banks? Who makes that top policy in your state? So JP Morgan, 2 red candles here, lower highs, looks like distribution doing retracement of this big impulse move up. Yeah, they look like they're still struggling. Bravo Alpha Charlie, Bank of America, same thing. Look at that. See how they all look similar patterns? Again, because they socialize with each other. Same golf course, same vacations, yep. And again, same kind of policies they are writing or investment. Hotel, Sierra, Bravo, Charlie. Oh, that's look like it's struggling too. There's the high. Yep. Even though it had that big impulse move up, looks like it's already turning around. Whiskey, Foxtrot, Charlie. Wells Fargo, huge consolidation here. So if we're going to be interested, we break above here and start building a staircase pattern higher high. These 2 red candles there, looks like distribution. What is distribution? Now, I say that means smart money selling. Institution that manage other people's money. Citigroup, symbol C as in Charlie. Yep, consolidation. Wow. Interesting. So we had that wick there, did a retracement of it, and now it's already declining. See these orange horizontal lines here? Let's go back, further back, because that's a long time. So there was a gap 3 years ago, gapped up. I drew that orange line. So it did go inside the gap, rejected it. It's right there, but it didn't fill the gap yet. So there's a high probability we're going to still go lower. Suspicious. Royal Bank of Canada, Romeo Yankee. No, that's a nice momentum up, but it's already struggling. So you had a high tail up there and follow up with a high tail. Yep, struggling, not looking good. This might be the opportunity. Maybe by puts out of the money. Let's go to a daily. I'm interested to see. Oof, that looks like distribution possibly. Let's put some volume on here. Let's first go back to weekly. Yeah. Painting a picture and seeing what the game's going on here. Okay. Huge move up with volume. Lighter volume, lighter volume. Then we're looking on the far right. Oops. We had this huge stop hunt. That's a stop hunt candle that occurred here. And then a huge impulse move sell-off on huge volume. That's extremely bearish. Then we have this retracement here, retracement with less volume. So that means less buyers are coming back in. Massive dump, flush down, continue flush down, and going back on weakness. Going back on weakness, I would consider to look to trade bearish. Got it, bearish. Now let's go to the daily. Oof, that's suspicious right off the bat. Right off the bat. Huge volume. Red candle, huge volume. We didn't make a higher high. Again, the week's not done yet. Again, that's a daily candle. Lower high, lower low. Yep, looks like distribution. I may want to buy put options here tomorrow immediately because this thing may gap down soon. I might miss it. Yep, like I missed Twitter. Last Friday, I was going to do a bearish trade. What happened Monday? Twitter gap down. You snooze, you lose. Oh, struggle's real. Yeah, this is real suspicious. Wow, look at that. Okay, massive dump right down here. Going back on light volume. That was distribution. Somebody was definitely selling this. Wow, let's see if they got options on here. Romeo Yankee. Romeo Yankee. But well, the market's closed, but that's already bad news there. Spreads wide. Again, doesn't count because the market's closed. And I'm trying to load up options. Nope. Okay, maybe there's no options. There we go. Let's go out here. Close at 105. Oof, that's a wide spread. I don't like that. That stinks. Anyway, a quick look here. 100. Let's look at the 100 puts. 100 puts. They want 115 for that. Yeah, I might pass, but we'll come back and see what happens. So let's mark this. Little down arrow. So I'm going to come back here the next time. Let's see what happens. And write a little note. Romeo Yankee, bearish. Yep. Might have to contact the company, ask them what BS they're playing. You could. They got an HR department. I mean, they got a PR department, and they have to reply. Again, they might just blow smoke. It's very entertaining when you talk to those knuckleheads. PR stands for propaganda. It was designed to wear back during the Nazi Empire. So let's go on to the next, number 3. Financial banks regional. Yeah, so now you call it PR or press release. Businesses, celebrities, athletes, actors, they have PR. Uniform Sierra Bravo, inside candle. Okay, that's suspicious. Yeah, look at that. Like a horseshoe shape. Massive distribution coming into earnings soon. That's not looking good. Nope. Hotel Delta Bravo. Again, 2 inside candles. Hasn't even taken out the other one yet. Okay. See if that even gets up to 60, possibly. Tango Foxtrot Charlie. Huge consolidation. And look at that, struggling. Not looking good. Papa November Charlie. Nope, again, massive consolidation. Nope, still near the bottoms. India Bravo November. Nope, that's looking real sloppy here. Yeah, not good. And again, all the way back here, I labeled that with the arrow, thinking that was going to roll over, and it did. It flushed down. Good job out of me. Wink, wink. Foxtrot Romeo Charlie. First Republic San Francisco. Okay. Huge consolidation. Looks like it's rolling over. A lot of them look like this. Had that big candle up, green, and then these lower highs, lower lows for the weeks. Not looking good. That's the bank. That's the financial bank regional. Let's go on to the next. On to the financial capital markets. These are like your big brokers that manage other people's money. They're very diversified too. Morgan Stanley. There we go. Already broke below the prior week. Lower high, lower low, selling off. Look at that consolidation, breakdown consolidation, staircase pattern, lower low. Charles Schwab. Yeah, struggling. Huge dump already this week. Goldman Sachs. So there, after this occurred, I had that huge till. I labeled it to the right side, thinking we were going to get a retest. We did. We got the retest. Worked out very nice. Let's update this. And now, just like the other stock I showed you, red, lower, lower, lower highs, selling off already. Bank of Nova Scotia, Bravo, November, Sierra. Yep, it's also retracing this big wick up here. And it looks like it's struggling. India, Bravo, Kilo, Roma, interactive broker. Do you use their trading platform? Do you have an account with them, trade stocks? I know a lot of people do. I know some people, I think, just trade futures with them. Have already made a lower low, lower high than last week. They have deep, deep trouble. Romeo, Golf, Foxtrot, Raymond's, James Financials. Very similar as the other ones. Looks consolidation. And up here, it looks like distribution, smart money selling. Not good. Might even do a retest in here. Okay, that was the financial markets. Let's continue on. The credit card services. So ask yourself, do you have a credit card? Have you recently, maybe let's say the last 6 months, 18 months, has your credit card company increased your credit line or raised interest rates? And if you use your credit card, have you personally, you or aware of anybody with their credit card, have not paid off the credit card in full, but are leaving a balance on it? Those are clues that bad times are occurring because you may have less discretionary income to pay the full amount on your credit card. Yeah. Where credit card companies are making money off your interest, that's positive. But also some people maybe just stop making payments. And then credit card companies are taking losses. Visa, higher high, higher low. Just doing a retracement. And this is like a V pattern. V patterns are not so good. Yeah, it's just a sharp remove. Not positive. You rather have a slow and steady one. That's looks like it's going to set up the fill. MasterCard, Mike Alpha, same thing. V pattern. PayPal. Oh, the once almighty. You got that. Wow. So let's zoom out more because it's see these yellow horizontal lines all the way down there? I had labeled those a long time ago. In just a year, it's already taken out. Let's go back 5 years. It's already, see? They already tested that one. So let's go, there we go, all the way back here. That was a key support area, swing low. Here's another swing low. So this one got tested. That was a long time ago. Took long enough, but as expected, that was in 2018. Let's remove this. So consolidation, breakdown consolidation. Let's zoom in a little bit more. And it's doing retracement. It's struggling up here. Looks like they're going to roll over again too. Let's just put this on a daily, see if we see something that I'm looking for. Yeah. And let's do volume on here. These yellow lines, I choose the yellow. Oh, that's suspicious. See this little tiny candle here? Real tiny. Tiny. Huge volume. Huge volume. All that volume. How come it didn't have a big spike like this? Well, that's a sign of distribution. Smart money dumping it. Yeah, dumping it. It might come all the way back down here to retrace. So you have this huge pump. Huge pump. Yep, not looking good. And here, went down to 22 million and came here and went up by 17 million. So it went down 22 million, up here doing a retest, 17 million. So less buyers are buying it. I wouldn't be buying this one. Up here, I think I might look to trade bearish. Let's I'll check the option chain later. Let's label this one because this is looking like the opportunity. Down arrow. Okay, let's look at the option chain right now. PayPal, PYPL. Let's look out here. There we go. Just take that one, for example, 22 July. 75 puts maybe. This is a bearish strategy. If you don't know how this goes, because you're buying it, you're paying for it at the ask. It's $260, not good. Nope. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Okay, let's go back and zoom in. Let's look at the 70 puts. 70 puts. 166, the bid and ask are way too wide. And now we're going to come back. That was 44 trading days. Let's go into 30 trading days. 30 trading days. Yep. See, they cost less money, less duration, but the event needs move quickly. Let's look at this again. Okay, 75 puts, 170. Maybe you think it's going to happen sooner. Look at the 16, the 24 June, 16 trading days, 75 put, 80 bucks. You buy for 80 bucks. Yep. If the stock goes lower, this could go up a fortune, even if the stock gaps down. Okay, let's go on to the next. And yeah, that's suspicious. Let me label that. PayPal. American Express. Yep, again, looks like distributions. Yeah, these credit card companies looking bad. Capital One. Oh, that's looking real bad. Tiny little bodies, high tails on the top. Yep, looks like distribution going up there. Every time it goes up there, they fill the order, but not. It's more sellers up there unloading. They got plenty of unload, not enough buyers up there. Well, when this market maker or specialist, whoever the big ones are that control the stock, yeah, that's going to fall down. Discover Financial, Delta, Foxtrot, Sierra, same thing. Ooh, something's hurting these financial credit card companies. Yeah, I wonder what your mainstream media is not telling you. Again, it's not what draws news, so they have no intention to tell you the important stuff. It doesn't give them the edge to get more clients, to listen to their station, to increase their revenue by ads. So again, the important stuff like I'm showing you here. Another reason some of us choose not to have a TV in our house. Alpha India Golf, these are the insurance companies. Up, looks like distribution, smart money selling. Sun Life Financial, that's struggling too. The recovery is not going well in some of these financials. Hotel India Golf, okay, not looking good. Papa Foxtrot Golf, yeah, that's struggling too. Golf, Sierra, Hotel Delta, all the way down here, massive distribution. And Echo, Quebec Hotel, already made a lower low, lower high. Let's go to the next one. Financial Insurance Life, where this other one we just did was diversified. This is life. Who still buys life insurance? Well, some companies buy them for their employees. Walmart was known to buy them for their employees. A lot of big Fortune 500 companies buy them for their board members and top management. So if they accident die, no longer can work in a capacity, they don't pay it out to the employee. The company pays it to themselves. Yeah, you can buy insurance policies that do that. I'm not saying go out and hurt an employee, wink, wink. MetLife, Mike Echo Tango. Yep, it's in trouble up here. Mike Foxtrot Charlie. Yep, look at that. Sharp momentum to the upside, massive pump. So no, maybe it's going to go up here. Papa Romeo Uniform Prudential, old school company. It looks like distribution here. Again, 2 candles, huge wicks on the top, small candles, small bodies, and neither one of them are closing above this high one. No, they're struggling. Alpha Foxtrot Lima, already making a lower low, lower high. Excuse me. Lincoln Lima November Charlie. Took out that swing low all the way back there. Let's remove that. I'm running out of my voice. Took out that swing low as expected. Let's remove that. Papa Romeo India. Okay, looks like it's under distribution. And let's go to the last one. The mortgage financials. This one, Romeo Kilo Tango, it did a stock IPO last year. Last year's stock IPO, massive sell-off. And it's still trending back down, not good. Uniform Whiskey Mike Charlie. Oh, it's struggling too. That might be it. These things might roll over Friday after the economic news released Friday morning. I think it's released sometime after 8:30 a.m. Papa Foxtrot Sierra India took out that swing low, that yellow horizontal line. Interesting. And then a bunch of buyers came in, cranked it up here. Again, this was massive distribution. It just retest. It looks like it's failure. Yeah. And that's a potential area. It's going to have a challenge. It goes up there. That might be the next area where they have another opportunity to trade bearish. Whiskey Delta. Yep, it's struggling. Hotel Tango Golf. Here, wow, lots of inside candles, like a bearish flag pattern. Here's the pole, here's the flag and a wedge. Let's label this. That's not good. More like a consolidation, but again, all those inside candles. Zoom out there. There you go. It's like a flag pattern. There's the pole again, flag. Tango Romeo Romeo. Then lending tree. Yep. It's under the distribution, struggling down there. Not good. Such a small trading range. Let's take this back monthly, see what's going on. Oof. Okay. Break below that 50. Could shoot all the way down 25. Again, when you go to a bigger time frame, because we took this from the weekly to the monthly, see the forest of the trees. I think that's the Russian proverb. I forgot how to say it. Okay. Many thanks for watching.